Hi everyone and welcome to Storeino. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the application of abandoned cart to your store and how to activate it. The abandoned cart means that you can manage all the orders that were abandoned by your customers. So when you log into your account, go to the applications and then search for the abandoned cart. Here, as you can see, this is the logo of the application, and click on add, and it will take you to the page of the application. Here, as you can see, just click on this button here and link your store with it. And lastly, just click on install. And as you can see, it was successfully added to my applications. And when I refresh this page of my applications, here as you can see, it is successfully added, but it's not activated yet. So just click on activate. And as you can see, it was successfully activated. And now when we go to the orders section, here, as you can see, we have the abandoned cart, and the way it works, I'm going to show you an example. For example, where we have this order here, I'm going to type in the name, for example, my phone name and the phone number. And I'm not going to write the other information. I'm not going to write the address or the city or anything, and I'm not gonna place the order. And instead, I will just refresh this page. Here, as you can see, the information that I just written are now gone, and I need to write them once again before I place the order. But if we go to the order section here and click on the abandoned cart and refresh this page, here, as you can see, we have the order that we didn't finish, and as you can see, we have the name and the phone number that we've written down. And if you contact, for example, the customer, as you can see, you have, in this case, the phone number of the customer, you can contact them, and if they confirmed the order, you can convert the order from the abandoned cart to the orders list by just clicking on convert. Here, as you can see, it will take you to the page of a new order. We have already done a video explaining how to add new orders to your store. You can watch that video to understand how you can add a new order. Just go ahead and type in all the information of the customer and the address, the products, etc. And then when you are eventually done, just click on confirm, and the order will be placed in your order list. And of course, if the customer didn't want to go any further with their order, you can also click on delete and click on confirm, and the order will be deleted from the abandoned cart. So that was everything for this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments, and we will make sure to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you.